Now, your exclusive local alert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
Folks, it was a very nice fall day today. Temperatures in the 70s, right about where they should be for this time of year, and not much in the way of cloud cover. In fact, it was another cloud-free day. Here's a look at that latest image coming out of the Prineville Reservoir in Crook County, and it is very inviting up there. We also are noticing that the level of the reservoir is dropping significantly, as it does this time of year. What we're looking for and what we're tracking is a warm weekend. So the first weekend of fall will feel more like a summertime weekend because we'll see temperatures in the 80s both Saturday and Sunday. Don't get too used to that warmth. It is going to be turning into fall soon, and that's going to happen on Monday as we dropped into the 60s for afternoon highs. And it's also going to come with some wet weather. So let's time and track that for you. First, before we get into that, we'll look at the satellite and radar, and that does indicate to us that there is nothing over top of the state. There is something coming our way, though, and you can see that in the form of those clouds off the coast. Winds right now, barely noticeable. We'll call it a light wind from the northeast, and as we get into the 10 o'clock time frame, really light and variable winds will be the definition of that. As we look at our morning hours on Saturday, still single-digit numbers, so really not that much in the way of windy conditions over the weekend. What we're seeing tonight, this is tonight, 11 o'clock, we're going to start to notice the warmer air migrating into the area. So I'm going to stop this here at 3 o'clock on Saturday. What we're noticing is we have a blue, which is the cooler air, and the orange or yellow, and that is the warmer air. So we're going to have that warm pattern here on Saturday, and that'll help to stall out this cooler pattern that is coming our way. As we get into Sunday morning, we're still in that warm sector, but we're seeing some showers develop off the coast. That cooler air is just kind of knocking on the door at 7 a.m. It's slow to arrive. By 4 o'clock, it kind of just barely makes it into the coast. We are still seeing maybe a couple of showers in through portions of Harney County. But then when we get into Monday morning at 3 a.m., before you get ready for work Monday, you'll be seeing some showers in the region if you get up real early. But by the 8 o'clock time frame, the morning commute on Monday, we'll see some scattered showers, and we're going to start to feel that fall feel in the atmosphere. Right now, it's 75 and 70. Look how dry it is. 5% relative humidity. 73 in Redmond, 8% relative humidity. So it's a dry pattern right now. 71 in Sun River. 80 degrees right now in Warm Springs with a 68 in Sisters and a 73 in the Prineville area. So we are definitely on that fall schedule, at least for today. Tonight's going to be crisp. We'll get to the freezing mark in La Pine, 32 degrees, 37 in Sisters, 46 in Warm Springs, and a 46 also tonight expected in the city of Bend. Highs tomorrow, 70s and 80s. So we're getting back into that warmer pattern from Bend north, and also Sisters and Prineville we'll be seeing 80s. Upper 70s, though, in Sun River and La Pine, which is also well above normal for this time of year. Got an 82 with the cloud cover increasing as the day moves along on Sunday. And then Monday, that's when that rain shower activity comes in. Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday see periods of rain off and on and temps in the 60s.